In this lesson, we're going to implement the back to main menu button on our pause menu. And so we're going to drag a new button onto the canvas and we're going to call it the main menu button. We're also going to want to make sure that the text is main menu. Now we are going to take the code from our old UI manager and we're going to delete it. And then we are going to paste it inside of our new UI manager. Now I'm going to take the code from the update function and I'm going to create a new function called open main menu. And then we're going to paste the code in there. Next, we are going to call on pause so that we close the pause menu. Now I'm going to remove the scene and the update function. And in our pause menu, we are going to query for the main menu button. And then when the button is clicked, we are going to execute a function called open main menu. And this function is going to invoke an action called opened main menu. Now in our UI manager, we are going to listen for that event. And then we are going to call open main menu. We'll stop listening in the onDisable function to avoid memory leaks. Now in Unity, we're going to remove the old UI manager script. We're going to add our new one, and then we are going to populate all of the fields. Now we're going to create a new empty game object called pause menu UI. We're going to add the pause menu UI script and set the panel and UXML document. Then we're going to drag that into our UI manager script and we're going to disable it by default. Now we're going to create an empty game object and add the UI toolkit event system to it. Now if we press play, I can start a new game and open up the pause menu. Then if I click main menu, we go back to the main menu scene.